everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a really great baked bean recipe, perfect for upcoming cookouts. The official name of the recipe I found is called Beach Baked Beans. I'm not quite sure why beach is part of the name, but they are a fantastic recipe, like I said, for baked beans that I have found. All the ingredients come together just to kind of intensify the flavor and just make them really great. Like I said, perfect for cookouts, and it's also pretty easy to throw together. If I did recommend one tip, I would say to pre-cook the bacon, the onion, and the pepper. The recipe doesn't specifically specify this, but I think it makes a huge difference in the final product. Sometimes you see recipes where the bacon is laid on top. I just think that sometimes that makes a little bit too much grease go into it. And also when you don't cook your onion and pepper, sometimes it's a little too crunchy by the time you're done cooking. But that's the big tip I have today with that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you give it a like if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I put out a video. And I'll see you guys back here next time on Vintage Cookery.